Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're facing a Slack storage limit issue where you can't upload files, messages are restricted, or your workspace shows storage full, don't worry. This happens because Slack has limits on total storage depending on your plan. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check your storage usage. Click your workspace name, then Settings and Administration, then Workspace Settings, then Storage. This will show how much space has been used and what's consuming it. Step 2, delete unnecessary files. Remove old or large files you no longer need. Go to Files, arrow your files, select items, and delete them. This frees up storage immediately. Step 3, remove messages with large attachments. Files attached to messages take up space. Delete or edit old messages with big attachments to reduce usage. Step 4, clear Slack cache. Temporary cache doesn't count towards storage but can cause app issues. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata %/Slack. Delete all files inside, then restart Slack. Step 5, upgrade your plan if needed. Free Slack plans have strict storage limits. Consider upgrading to Slack Pro, Business Plus, or Enterprise for more storage and smoother uploads. Step 6, use external storage for files. Instead of uploading directly to Slack, use cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox and share links. This prevents hitting Slack limits. Step 7, archive unused channels. Files in old channels take space. Archive channels that are no longer active to manage storage efficiently. Slack storage issues happen because files accumulate over time or the workspace exceeds free plan limits, and these steps solve most problems. Follow these steps and your Slack workspace should free up space and work normally again. See you in the next guide.